In this video, we'll go through the real reasons why your Apple Pencil won't connect and how you can fix each one step by step. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before trying anything else, make sure your Apple Pencil is compatible with your iPad. Apple Pencil models are not universally supported across all iPads. The first generation Apple Pencil works with older iPads using a Lightning or USB-C adapter, while the second generation USB-C Apple Pencil and Apple Pencil Pro require specific iPad models that support magnetic pairing. If your iPad does not support your Pencil model, it will never connect no matter what you try. Step 2. Charge the Pencil. A low or completely drained battery is the most common reason an Apple Pencil won't connect. The first generation Apple Pencil must be plugged directly into the iPad or charged using an adapter. Newer models charge wirelessly when attached magnetically to the side of the iPad. If the Pencil battery is fully dead, let it charge for at least 10 to 15 minutes before attempting to pair it again, as it may not show up immediately. Step 3. Enable Bluetooth. Apple Pencil relies on Bluetooth to connect to your iPad. Go to Settings, open Bluetooth, and make sure it is turned on. If you already see your Apple Pencil listed, but it's not working, tap on it and select Forget this device. After that, turn Bluetooth off and back on, then try pairing the Pencil again. This simple reset often clears pairing glitches. Step 4. Pair correctly. The pairing process depends on your Apple Pencil model. For the first generation, plug the Pencil into your iPad and wait for the pairing prompt to appear on screen. For second generation and newer models, attach the Pencil magnetically to the right side of the iPad and hold it there until you see the pairing message. If the prompt doesn't appear, keep the Pencil attached for a full minute to allow charging and detection. Step 5. Restart iPad. Software hiccups can prevent proper pairing even when everything else is correct. Restarting your iPad refreshes Bluetooth services and system processes. Power off the iPad completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. After restarting, try connecting the Apple Pencil again using the proper pairing method. Step 6. Update iPad OS. Running an outdated version of iPad OS can cause Apple Pencil connection problems. Go to Settings, check for software updates, and install the latest version available for your iPad. Apple frequently fixes Bluetooth and accessory-related bugs through system updates, and this alone can resolve the issue.